Good afternoon, student. This is Teacher Edwin once again. Today, for grade 3, we will be discussing placement value. For grade 4, we will be discussing comparing numbers. For grade 5, we will be discussing another placement value. And for grade 6, we will be discussing ratio and rates comparison. So, students, I would like you to pay more attention in this lesson so that you will understand more about the topic that we will be discussing. Good afternoon, students. Today we will be going to continue the discussion about place value, word form, and this time we will be using rounding numbers. Now for grade 3 lesson, we will be going to continue the place value lesson. But this time, we will be applying them into the word form and standard form. Example, you have 7 tenths. 7 tenths will be automatically 70, as well as if you have 7 ones, it will be giving you 7. And the standard form of this number is 77. Another example for this one, if you have 5 hundredths, 6 tenths, and 2 ones, the standard form of this one will be giving you 500, 60, and 2. So therefore, you have 562 in a standard form. For grade 4 lesson, today we will be going to discuss rounding numbers and comparing numbers. You have to remember that in rounding numbers, if the number you are rounding is followed by 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, round the number up. Example, 38. Round to the nearest 10 and you will get 40 because the next digit, okay, for the tens placement, which is 3 tenths, is 8 ones. So 8 ones can give 1 point to the 3 tenths and it will become 4 tenths or 40. While if the number you are rounding is followed by 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, round the number down. Example, you have 3 tenths and 3 ones. 3 ones cannot give help to 3 tenths. So therefore, 3 tenths will be remained as 3 tenths or 30. Now for grade 6 discussion. Okay, our lesson is a continuation lesson of ratio compare and ratio and rates compare from yesterday's topic. Today, there will be a given example. Martin is laying out a design for the tiles on a section of his bathroom floor. He will use 1 black tile for every 4 tiles. So therefore, you have 1 black tile to 4 white tiles. To have a total of 20 tiles design. How many of each type of tile will Martin use? So here, grade 6, you will be going to count the number of black tiles and the number of white tiles. Let's start from this one. So 1:4. Second step, if you will be going to have 2 black tiles, you're going to need 8 white tiles. If you will be needing 3 black tiles, you will be using 12 white tiles. And if you will be having 4 black tiles, you will be using 16 white tiles. Remember, we just need to have only 20 tiles designed. Regardless on how many black tiles or white tiles, we will be adding these two so that they will be 20 tiles designed. So therefore, you will be using 16 white tiles and there will be 4 black tiles.